In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check PayPal activity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your recent transactions, how to read what you're seeing, and a few simple tips to make reviewing your account quick and stress-free. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official PayPal website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in securely. Take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate site by looking for the secure padlock in the address bar. Once you're in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard. This is your account's home base, where you'll see a snapshot of your balance, recent movement, and shortcuts to common features. From here, look along the top menu for the option labeled Activity. Click that to open the full history of what's been happening in your account. This is the central place to review money you've sent, payments you've received, automatic subscriptions, refunds, holds, and any fees tied to those transactions. On the activity page, you'll see a chronological list of entries. Each line typically includes the date, the counterparty or description, the status, and the amount moving in or out. Positive amounts generally indicate money coming to you. Negative amounts show money leaving your account. If a transaction shows as pending or on hold, it usually means PayPal or your bank is still processing it. Completed means it has fully cleared. If something looks unfamiliar, pause and review the details carefully. Most accounts display helpful tools on this page. You'll often find a search bar where you can type a name, email fragment, or reference to narrow things down. Many layouts also include filters for date ranges or transaction types, which makes it easier to focus on a specific month, a particular payment method, or just refunds and subscriptions. If your list looks empty or shorter than expected, the default view may be set to a narrow time period, so widen your date range to see more history. Clicking into a single activity line typically reveals expanded details, such as the full description, fees, funding source, and any associated notes. This is especially useful when you're reconciling amounts, checking whether a refund went through, or confirming the currency that was used. Keep in mind that fees and currency conversions can cause small differences between the amount charged and what you receive. When you're done reviewing, consider signing out if you're on a shared device, and avoid sharing screenshots that expose private information. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard, head to Activity, and review your entries with confidence.